Tambopata, the heart of the Peruvian Amazon. In the shadow of the Andes, this stretch of tropical rainforest is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth and is home to more plant and animal species than all of North America. Tambopata is also the center of operations of Rainforest Expeditions. In partnership with indigenous communities and other local people, we run 3 award-winning lodges deep inside Tambopata's forests, giving visitors a unique chance to sustainably experience the natural wonders of the Amazon. Since our first lodge was founded in 1989, tens of thousands of travelers from around the world have stayed with us. By choosing Rainforest Expeditions, each of those travelers has allowed us to reinvest in the conservation and protection of this unique wilderness. Our guests choose from a menu of activities, tailoring their trips to their specific tastes and needs. We offer everything from family excursions to adventurous overnight hikes and kayak trips, and cultural tourism including traditional ayahuasca ceremonies and homestays with local families.
Now you want to try it?
But more than anything else, our guests have the opportunity to get up close to the amazing plants and animals that surround our lodges, observing everything from caimans to 7 different kinds of monkey. And spectacular flocks of dozens of different species of macaws. By offering local people the chance to use ecotourism to create value from healthy living forests, we are helping to preserve hundreds of thousands of acres of the Amazon and prevent millions of tons of greenhouse gas emissions from deforestation. By choosing Rainforest Expeditions, you can also help us ensure that future generations will be able to see macaws nesting in the Amazon's ancient trees and spider monkeys swinging through the canopy.
Ahí va. 1, 2, 3.
At Rainforest Expeditions, we also support conservation research. Every year, we host dozens of scientists from around the world who come to study this spectacular ecosystem, often making discoveries that can help save threatened rainforests in other parts of the world. Our macaw research project uses sophisticated science, including DNA analysis, to track local bird populations and learn about all aspects of macaw life, from mating to migration. And from feeding to population trends.
Okay. 30.3.
Your visit will help us continue this vital work to conserve this irreplaceable ecosystem. Rainforest Expeditions will be happy to make your stay in the Amazon a truly memorable, once-in-a-lifetime event. The world's greatest rainforest is waiting for you.